Hello my friends, welcome to our channel Plus Size Models. Now in this video we are going to tell you about Deborah Sant in 2024. So guys, let's get started. Deborah Sant is a Brazilian plus size model, body confidence activist, avid traveler, content creator, social media influencer, fashion blogger, passionate and Instagram star who promotes self-love and Baby Girl Day Instagram account. Deborah Sant was born on 17 December 1997 in Recife, Pernambuco, Brazil. She will be 25 December 17, 2022. Her astrological sign is Sagittarius. Deborah Sant was born and raised in Brazil. She lives in her hometown, Recife, Pernambuco, but spent most of her time in the United States. The self-acclaimed Bad Girl Day completed her primary and tertiary education in Brazil. She became active on social media since 21 January 2015. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video.